Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Today is one of the most important days for India and Indian Defence Forces. Every year on July 26th, Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated in honor of the Kargil War's hero. This day is celebrated in the Kargil sector and all over the country to honor the contributions of the armed forces. In New Delhi, the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. This video is not to give details or history about the Kargil Vijay Divas, since this is something which is known to everyone. I am uploading this video just to give the list of various aircrafts and helicopters which were used during the Kargil War by Indian Air Force. From Indian Air Force side, there were many fighters and helicopters used, and the operation carried by them was codenamed as Operation Saved Sagar. First one in the list is the MiG-21 supersonic jet fighters, which was designed by Mikoyan-Gurevich Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. Although the MiG-21 is built mainly for air interception with a secondary role of ground attack, it is capable of operating in restricted spaces with limited influence, and this was of importance in the Kargil terrain. Next one in the list is the Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-23, which is a variable geometry fighter aircraft designed by the Mikoyan-Gurevich Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. Indian forces started air strikes during the Kargil War using the MiG-23BN along with MiG-21, MiG-27, Jaguar and Mirage 2000 fighters. Next aircraft to mention is the Mikoyan MiG-27, which is a variable sweep ground attack aircraft originally built by the Mikoyan-Gurevich Design Bureau. This fighter was later license produced in India by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Even this fighter was used extensively for air strike role, and on 27th May 1999, during the Kargil War, one Indian MiG-27 was lost due to engine failure. Next in the list is the Jaguar attack aircraft, originally used by the British Royal Air Force and the French Air Force in the close air support and nuclear strike role. During Kargil War, this fighter played an active role by dropping both unguided and laser-guided bombs. Next fighter to be mentioned here is the Mikoyan MiG-29 twin-engine jet fighter aircraft. The MiG-29 fighters were used extensively during 1999 Kargil War in Kashmir by the Indian Air Force to provide fighter escort for Mirage 2000 fighters, which were attacking targets with laser-guided bombs. The last aircraft to be mentioned in the list is the Mirage 2000 multi-role aircraft. Mirage 2000 performed remarkably well and was used extensively during the whole conflict in the high-altitude Himalayas, and it was considered the game changer in the Kargil War. Mirage 2000 was mainly used to destroy Pakistani bunkers with precision-guided bombs. Coming to the helicopters, a major role was played by Mi-17 Russian military helicopter, which is mostly used as a twin-turbine transport helicopter and as well as an armed gunship version. During the Kargil War, one of the Mi-17 was shot down using shoulder-fired missile, and this led to the withdrawal of such choppers, and it was replaced with fixed-wing aircrafts. Next to be mentioned here is the PR-57 British first-generation jet powered medium bomber, and this fighter was used by Indian Air Force for bombing raids and photo reconnaissance for many decades. The last one to be mentioned is the Antonov AN-12 4-engine turboprop transport aircraft, which were also used as heavy bombers during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, and these Indian Air Force AN-12s were phased out from the active service in 1990. So this was a quick video to provide the list of aircrafts and choppers which were used during the Kargil War, which helped the Indian Air Force to jointly act with the Indian Army ground troops to vacate the Pakistani Defence Forces and clear the Kargil sector. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.